akpena mi wa penya pe mere me chobe sifia wo de gbere o ati pomo no tomo zolo no vie nya te pe jani tae ko klobo bo afi ya pomo e pe vi divia ne chobo nkone nuko nyenye komi vi do me venu nye ko divia ma nye pe vi letenu he e wonu kuba nye kle pe vi mi dogo le gbeji la santia ma do pe gba wo be minti ne ba ro pa bona la vi dibe na to bi chali o e fofoli na ya be to bi chali aklo mada no via pe vi wo nye le gbeji la santi wo de nkone be na konfonotia nyabo nu pola o mia ozova Evenigba TV. We was a donor be doing Evenigba TV entertainment show. In here, one of the very Kabana, a divaga, Jora, Sia, Jora, no, never up a drug adre, either Gani, Kanyamela Kurogana, one of the women, Poematonium, MOZATO. You one logram and yam, Mujaka Charino, Lenya, why you don't go, young women, Kulagado, and Make, one abu bovo, Omedio, or Bona, a jiga, Jora, Sia, Jora, Nepo, Gadre, either Gani. Akpena mi music nenya no Evenigba TV akpom. Evevio na do fegba nega nye pena mi wo fanya fa bare ma chonya sifia wo de gbere o ati kpomo no to mo zolo no nyanya te pe jani tae koklo bobo rafi yakpoma evevi divia na to fon kone nkonye nye komi vi do mo vanu nye ko di fia ma nye vevi letenu he e wonu kuba nye pe vevi mi dogo le gbeji la santia ma do fegba wo be minti nye ba ra pa wona la vizibe na to bi chali o e fofoli na nya be to bi chali akwa mada no via vevi wo nye le gbeji la santi wo de kone me na konfonotia konfo ofri ngote na me nyona nya na nye vevi na le gbeji don kwa koji na nya be na nye choketa fu e vuro kwati he na le togo amenyo na ma yi fu awa ko yin yasi nyawo so ba Evenigba TV entertainment show egbe ganye jora bubu aleba enye jijoma ya gboro na ba maga no mi agbo lebe yi ya ba makromito Evenigba TV entertainment show wona ma menya ne ba ndero mahi egbe ni si banto ya na le anyi no geplemu ka wana nye Evenigba TV entertainment show enya me kedo na kuro na wana vevi man ko imeto na enye Mozato alaba nenu ozore dodonwu a mibona mianto mia no viare ite hanya hajila odometo reka alo apenkami artist yala gbagbaje be ya rojia ya ta ayo nyeba wana ba taroji wanya ba nyaja gbagba be mia no vie buao alo verajie vio ke perem tore kama le na obo wateni achuchua yire fiko le wana oduwa aha yesu mata na wana doji kwa ni pona go ba miamia se odometo de kagodo ba wava ava de dokunu ala de dokifia ni wo watan wo alo ni lengonia wadi agro ni okata ta wana mebo na jiga daga yi to do a magbana wozo dogeneva wana vevi aji ka abala mana ni nyana it's all about entertainment. So whatever you do, tell a friend to tell another friend and keep yourself good right here on Evenigba TV. Nyanto telo amabu bore kemeli agata wona mi tano nyabale nyepom le Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, fika le nyepom la keja gbagba na ma live alo anano viare nya ba wana viare eleji yimle Evenigba TV. Yeah. Legbe to jiare. Nya do agba lo mu le yafa na oji eyo nyebe haji nya ogbolo be ni la nya re jojo. Nya nyere ka goma na nya alo me nya jojo poma e fana jina vie nya nya le ko ha na pone o. Nya ka. Nya no vi Jafinga. Aha, nyakata ni jesi de kaje ni makule ala ojena babale haji wona me ogunu khle alo no le haji la khle mla maga amganu tuoma ni makare jiwe wati ade Jafinga lemu kaka domi yako le ko jema le kama la jo ko nyana via ba dokuma ba kom ya ba la jibe nyana vi Jafinga ba yirashi haji jimu abaleka le ka shira ga haji jimu anyi ba Jovi fiajila hajiji anu gano mokpom na eba ye ga haye ya de kede gualo ava ji halete fare ke krago o Jafinga we nya mo be favorite na masugbo we favorite nuka ejore jio ni gbana kule gede enyamo kpoda ba no kachuchu de funa mi no via afie o wajibe ya rashira hajiji hu do mahi kuhia de wanye alo ahia lo dure chumia gbo aye nimele namo alo mele kpom chumia gbo ye webe jianya rele fo be ya rashira hajiji hu enya le nkurem no ha le kene kpoya number le screen aji atinya no gbeda shi odom da ado gbeda shi ra le ko ha na kpoy na ba de nwema kaka afini mi ayi zoro ngwa ogbana ma chugana mi vie pele mi ano vio be video clip de cover de o ni apole ke nuna na yo ke le volta original ya to mi nya be le volta original no le hajiji alo entertainment bula mi abo la fi ya volta original le ta yo nya be eveni ba tv va be ya valemi asieva mele be mi aplelesio ke bon le be mi anu wa kon ta na pe dada gbanto le be mi anu chomna eveni ba tv kula edola kula la kata dola kata kio kata wale be mi anu pe dam na wala be wo we va be yo va do vejuko vetareji odo vejuko vetareji ta ni bona do mo chuchu ya de hoga ni trova mia aye jinami apenami miji na mia no efenigba tv akpom
Eviona do fegba nega nyem pena mi wa penya bare mo chode sifia wo de bere o atiko mo no tomo zolo no vie ya te pe jani tae ko club bo hafi ya poma evi divia ne chopo nkone nuko nyenye komi vi do mo venu nye ko di fia manye evi le tenu he e wonu kuba nye kle evi mi dogo le gbedi la chantia mo do fegba wo be minti ne ba ro pa bona la fiji be na to bi chali o efofoli na ya be to bi chali aplomada no via evi wo nye le gbedi la chanti wo de nkone be na konfonotia nyabo nukola o mia ozova Evenigba TV mi mwe wezo dona mi doenye Evenigba TV entertainment show inye wana veviare ikegbona ejivaga jora no nyeba apo etroga dre ide ganyi ka enyamele kurorogana wana vevima nko imetona nyam MOZATO yo wana lologre menye buja kachari nyawo le nyawo wa yire ngwa yenwe mi nkulegado nenumake wana bubu ovovovo komedio wa wegbona ejiga jora nepo gadre ire ganyi akpena mi eveviona do fegba nega nyem pena mi wa penya bare mo chode sifia wo de bere o atiko mo no tomo zolo no vie ya te pe jani tae ko club bo hafi ya poma evevi divia ne chopo nkone nuko nyenye komi vi do mo venu nye ko di fia manye evevi le tenu he e wonu kuba nye kle evevi mi dogo le gbedi la chantia mo do fegba wo be minti ne ba ro pa bona la fiji be na to bi chali o efofoli na ya be to bi chali aplomada no via evevi wo nye le gbedi la chanti wo de nkone be na konfonotia nyabo nukola o mia ozova Evenigba TV mi mwe wezo dona mi doenye Evenigba TV entertainment show inye wana veviare ikegbona ejivaga jora no nyeba apo etroga dre ide ganyi ka enyamele kurorogana wana vevima nko imetona nyam MOZATO yo wana lologre menye buja kachari nyawo le nyawo wa yire ngwa yenwe mi nkulegado nenumake wana bubu ovovovo komedio wa wegbona ejiga jora nepo gadre ire ganyi akpena mi miji nenya no Evenigba TV akpom
nyalo nukpolo akpe na mi avale ke ko mi gale eju le gbonye mi ho do mo chuchu pe ma hetro gbon ke avala me kata tiranya efifia nya trode nya nton nya fo jatinga benya nya ma nya fifia de ele jijina ma le gbegbe na me yi ngba ochugba mo na ta me bunchu la ba azolia to be music zolia ma le boblu nya kata mi nya be music zolia mele bobo gake ograna banka jidola dua alo ko be jidola dua po alo le ko gran le ko jona fe gbale jidodo nya onye ye ele na doji le music zoli ma nwo nklichu mo toge do la ba agbedi ne ha nseso mo toge nyemanya udu mo to kai kle fonye jafinga afi wo be yara shila hajiji anwo aha nyemanya nke de funio kaka le nya gbonya wo na nyere ka ba na wanye ben tetira no shin kro ma jieji ba malebe ora shi hajijiamu era banuka tafrachi amade kie melile wo gana we o eye lagbe amahanu siami wo menele a aduane nwio aduane vo futolem nene make no siami ke wo mele ele nwia wo le vo mo amole bologe ta le nyanyi le ka gbonyina mele be wa doto eduao alo anu konya na mare gbopon be nuke umu wana ma nuke ole bo wana ma fi umu wana ma awo ele mi ase wa se do yo mu la goma be alove kala vele shi black and white onye ta no onye be ne le mozo ma mele bo woni abe ele bo on white always so bodo le be black viaro na no mi sin afie watinya yi gaka ayo nye be yanto be chacha owa de nya globe ni ara shemu no aju ne ma lewe o npopo nware de o le be ni ara shile jafinga ngwe ayo be mega haji go ko ni ara shile ngo waji ha na male gbo be ni ara shemu be ne yanto be magaji ha ko ne gaji ha ware nke po be nyawo afokini po be ni atande le video ale ebe lack of support be ye me support pomo ni akata wo me ye haji mozozo ma support melio nyemenya support aka kumaji ole afie o kaka ebe kunyi fafaima be lack of support be mo me ye support mo vo ne malen kuria nyanye ntoke la fi ya haji la meyo amanatis apen kami artist do ba still jimere na le fonye berebedo ado yilia na te fado yigebe aba perform kurago amo yiga wolaka anu pom voile bu wonto yi kene chove energy la sio chove be ya zana mokwa yeko mezana azeka ka ko wonto afil be wona nelo wonto afil le dokuma ebe na we afil le dokuma be wona na amokwe amomokwe wono na ma no zube ma wenye fonye jafinga be jimadedi be domanyi ne haji pete pado de amo chona deleme na yo o me dona vivire yemu ye ji adam le po be wa pa haji ya lenya gbonya me po be le wrong le we o gbowari le kana pe de me anyi chacha gbegbele mo la be mo ezozo to me ma nyebe tafrache nwu nye rumeni le nya globo ya mare be chula gba nko ha ka ndudu achanyu awo music mo ya zo meni la amare ka ma gagamre no bia ba momo nuna na ila mesia ejizo mole mala fija na sene ha mono na ga ba jafinga to jafinga ha meti hadiga ba ale style nya ma ko hadimia ya meti jigene ne mo ya wo moji wole da menye jijo nyaye mejo jinamo menye jijo na nkura be nyafo jafinga aba yeyina si daga hajijimu ke bonwe yonye be chichi oglo ne be de tika be habobo me yono na hafitin hena pe obo mi okata mi sena nyama kuli be de tika be hadede me yono na hafitin hena pe tano nye be de tika re kachu yin bo mo yanto ebe ye mega yo hajigo ta mi rasheun o jafiga nto ebe ye mega hajigo mi rasheun echo bubu han ga chu ni be mi rasheun ni cho bubu han ga chu a never so de ti ka de kapire pe anwa me mi ti de ka de gbo ke won ka o ka tan echo la vraiment ke Volta Industrial ti kanila nya hajila wele industrial ashi hajila manomia ome nko de ke yoga lo me blogger ba Volta Music Industry hajila we na be nko male nyang be Volta Music Industry tano nyebe hajila o duguran gbele industry mega industry o cancer ga American ga recognize go ikpoma no matter o nyenya anya jima de be melebe amia dometɔ ɖeke nye wɔnu ka adogo ɖa le lã ya me gbeɖe ta nu ke nye kpɔ be míata wɔ atsɔ lé míafoa Jafinga atsɔ da ɖe anyi mi ɖo aɖaŋu na mía nɔvia míaƒe aɖaŋu ɖoɖowo neva nɔmba le dzedzem TV screen dzi wo hã te nya ɖo gbedeasi ɖa to nɔmba dzi nu ke mi kpɔ be míata wɔ ne míafo ya be míali te ɖe anyi ɔganɔ anyi industria ma la be ŋunana ya le si kokoko dzɔdzɔme ŋunana ega le si kokoko menye fia be ɖe ɖomahi hadzidzi avɔ le tame nɛ o alo ɖe magata ŋdzi ha o ye ta wo be ye kpa bo fia le fia naneke mega tutrum le yewo tame hawo ahawo le si gake be support meli o ye ta ye be yakpa ɖo leke wo hã ne kpe mi do miaƒe susuwo ɖa ame ɖeka mewɔnɛ o mi ma ɖe asi ŋu hã wòatsi adzomɔ adzoe ma tsui míahi le gbɔnye adzoe tsui adzoe tsui abe menye wo dzidzi wonye o vevesese ne se be video ɖewo le eƒe page alo dzi TikTok kple Facebook YouTube kple tɔwa ali wotsɔ nya narrate ma fia be vevesem evevesem le ɖokui me menye dzidzɔ wonye ne be yeada afɔ ɖa le hadzidzia me o evevesem egblɔ na nya kple vevesese nu ke míawɔ domahi Jafinga dzi wodzɔ ɖo tadzɔ ɖe nye hã dzi tadzɔ ɖe ame bubu ɖe hã dzi wo favorite artist hã numa tututu ata wɔnka ata dzɔ ɖe ye hã dzi ta ne wònye be mi melé tɔ te le afi ya oa ava ɖe fu na Volta music industry eyi ke anye nu yi ke aɖe fu ale gbegbe aɖe fu elabe dukɔ bubuwo ŋgɔ yim le hadzidzi wɔnawo me wonɔ gblɔm be mía Volta tɔwoa mi me wɔna nu ka mi me kpena ɖe mía nɔviwo ŋu mi me la nɔvi si o mi me wɔna ɖeka o yena be mí ŋgɔ yim o ta nye ma dzi be asiɖeɖe le Jafinga ŋu be wo ya xeyi eye be megadzi koko xeyi eha dzim kura me míawoe dzim na eye ne gaxɔm le performance wo wɔ ma ne míawoe wɔm na ta xeyia ne mi wɔ xe ma fia ko egafia be enya ya gblɔm dukɔwo nɔna be míaʋuawo mi me wɔa nɔviwoa agadzɔ ɖoko la be míatsi ka anu tɔ me ene ne míawo katã míele ka ɖeka ŋua etɔ mata lé mi o gake ne ame ɖeka ge le ka ŋu ge ɖe tɔ me ko míezi ŋkui be wotso mɔɖi menye nye tso menye age le ka me o ko hã ke ema mekam o awo lo ne mie screen dzi kpɔm miakpɔ be míafo ya be nya gblɔm me le aye ma Jafinga meka ɖe dzi míawo katã mi dzesi ne mie screen dzi kpɔm miakpɔe ɖa mi dzesi fovi ma edzina ha le gbegbe aba vovo me dzina nyana mo ya ta me kpɔ ga me do mo ne klo yi gbɔgbɔ me hamewo katã ye dzina ne dzi ha kpɔ be nyawo nɔna ha me nyatsiwo nɔ dzi ha vovovo kpɔ be nyatsiwo nɔna míafoa be ha me o nyati veva mɔwo nɔna be ha me ko ame ma gblɔ be magadzi ha ko mía ɖe asi ŋua awo ele be míali míali etɔ elem hadzidzi aɖewo le na asia me hadzidzi aɖewo le abe taflatse vodzuwo ne la si wɔ ewo ŋutɔ mete gblɔ ge na ɖokuiwo bena hã ye kpam ne menya wɔ do mi gbegble ge ne menya wɔ do elabe hadzidzie mewo ŋutɔ gblɔ ge bo egba me dzi be hayeye ne va nye tame hafi hayeye va ge o doko anyi nɔ ge ko ya ko ŋɔ yi anɔ zɔzɔm o tame anɔ zɔzɔm o tame anɔ zɔzɔm o tame ekpe ɖa ne wònye be woyawo ne be yemega hadzi ko ne fɔn di esia ɖea eha tɔ ade wova wo tame ele be nanɔ ŋuti bum tame susu ye control me le ŋu eyi ŋua ya va ko no matter how ne ɖe ŋu ɖi bo mada eka vava ge anɔ fu ɖem susua ɖeka koe he anɔ fu ɖem na wo susua anɔ fu ɖem na wo susua ke wo ŋutɔ koe ɖa he ne ŋua fu ɖem na susua wo ya ɖe asi ɖe me ŋu wo fu ɖem na susua bu ma tafrache meta gbogbo ma ina chochoga ko mi ana je bia ko mi ase bo o mi anto mi amajafinga tafrache o susua chaka ben ke jo ha o ba sugbo wuta mani gbogbo mi ji gan ha mi jo na ye ba bo mi na record go ta ni to da kai la ni ko ya no haji ne da kai ni ko no haji ko na ko ba san ko na ni le san ko aso bai de ano freestyle nam ne le san ko so ba no freestyle nam amakata tete mu de tagbo gbogbo mu vie mata frache ai kama mi aji dego ma de mi aji o ta won de osusu agbro de osusu gbro ni manya loka je na la fi yen pomo TV je yen pomulo Facebook yen pomulo YouTube yo alo TikTok yen pomula de osusu gbro le comment section am fa ne mi o kata mi akpere mi no vi ahun ba ya ha ka tenya gbugbo va ava konyi no ye nto fa ko nyi de nyi choma se be amu gbogbolom ba yela ye dana be dada gbenono le yema vo tafrache le ye nto me dada me ye la afio ye me dada mu ke bon jojo me ma le ha ye shi ba mo nwo gede ye nwu fia ko ha ya le ore domo ke bon na wede nkwa ya di fi ojire ka ba mi ya no wona ma mo joji na mo ye wona enu mak manye ba ya ba no nya buta mo chu awo nya wede mu fifi la ko ha ye ko de gati ojire ka ba no mi ya no woni ya menenu mo le benenu mo le benenu na gbebe ye ma lo de ye toji wa ke ha mete ye ji gaba mi ke me joji na ye we jiwa ya wanuka ya lode jinawo ke ne ye tera la manko yo ga jena ba ke de ye dada mana vo me dada onye ye dano ya ne ma ye joy ma ta nya ye le gbonya pa ma dia ko na ba ma semene vie ma semene la ba ameshama jovuvu meshama pro jojomi ta mi ma ta jia ji ba jojomi ma wu ne wada shiun awo mi ke ajoji na nia o ke bon de ni o mi akwe de menene ma be me dada ma o lo o javinga nene ma ko lo ko mi akwe de menene ma ko ha anozo ya zomre mu aro mi me pe nene ma nya de nya ba ta mo so sogro nya ga ko do mo chuchu viare nya ko do mo chuchu viare ke neni trova nya ga ye jina mi pele story bubu na le nyagbo le nyango eta yiji na no ebaniba tv akpom na onye be nyekpom a jawagba na mako follow page odo meto de ha de wa to vuvu na tv keji mi akpom na YouTube mi akpom lo Facebook wa ke jagbagba be na yiji ano nyabe link a share ma leba novi ha watenya wanka atenya gere jeroduama ka ai manye komi mfonfia mi no vi ke ngbe madona mi ba eva ga ya hanya hajira odo motore ka ava mi ado je nya fonkura ba haji zole on mi onye ha ba ha hia ale oje gome fi odo la fi oyina nya fonchon ama no ba gla bosses ba rapa odo motore ka mi matande adalamu ntomo bubu o tomo denene ma fi o chuchu kaka oru afi oru gba ore ya nyama via nyama kweje si wale ya ali ni ale adare moji ya jafinga to ba pajema neni ko domo chuchu he trogboa nya atrode nyama vi kenya apenkani atisa mu alebe nya se ya ha gboto ni no gbonya le ma ko domo chuchu ku yare ko na matrova
Viona do fegba nega nem pena ni wa pena premo chode sifia wo de bere o ati ko mo na tomo zolo no vienya te pe jani tae ko club bo afi ya poma e vi divia ne cho bon kone nu ko nyenye komi vi do mo venu nyen ko divia ma nye vi le tenu he e wonu kuba nye club vi mi do bo le gbadi la chantia ma do fegba wo ba minti ne va ro pa bona la vi di be na to bi chali o e fofoli na ya be to bi chali ko ma da no via vi wo nye le gbadi la chanti wo de ko ne be na konfonotia nyabonu pola o miawo zova Ebaniba TV we was a donor be doing when you got TV entertainment show. In here, one of the very Kabana, a Jivaga, Jora, Sia, Jora, no, never Apple, the drug adre, either Gani, Katamela Kurogana, one of the Viman, Poimatonanium, MOZATO. You one hour logram and yam, Mujaka Charino, Lenya, why you don't go, young women, Kulagado, Nanumake, one abu wovu, Comedio, or Bona, a Jiga, Jora, Sia Jora, Nepo, Gadre, Gani, Aquila music, Nano, a Beniga TV, bomb.
nyawe trogbova alaba madongo nami ngbedodu asokwe nka efenyi menyema magbara mi ba gbebe wona yo wona emi wona gbaye Evenigba TV entertainment show obe entertainment ko ba de hakle radilawo wodulawo comedy wala wala be gbala prama nyiko nyano via do motore ka ayi ma nyawda ka klam ne ma do wezone fonye wezo
ezore
ayo wezo ba Evenigba TV entertainment show ji alaba mi bana te video doga kure o haji mozozo alo karia ya ta afini nya sore ngwa na nya bonu kpolo ajibe yo anya o we nya nka
yo gba afima ejima dogbe na nya fe nkpola de sia ya make e connect play Evenigba TV this time around ni nton konye enye Prosper Jachia gake le music papajia. People know me or I stand by the name Papi Lolo.
Okay.
Yeah, my Papi Lolo.
Ayo, nyavanu kwala yema mese Papi Lolo yenya make le nyagbono ge le egbetoji Papi Lolo. No be Papi Lolo yenya maka.
Never be Papi Lolo. He's just a young hustler, a young gentle hustler. And the kajede ikela vevidon le hajipa paji kake maglobe gobode alo tokede a amonyambe menye rapper.
Okay.
Kake menye rap egbe amagbele Evenigba TV menye rap be matenwo magatema sing.
Okay. You are a vocalist.
I'm a vocalist and I'm a rapper as well. Okay. So I stand for everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yo Papi Lolo ke abale ke wonto gbelebe amoguna be ni rapper amobe va de do kun fia me be rapper de ko ya tanwo na le ready ka tan na mi pa me feel na rap Papi rapper so na Obama level soja wanyo ko AK47 na dala mo ne ki na kwasiwe ni kwa aha fi ma e o jina sile be tade cha alo ta na onyewe nyabon kpolo ngojibe na bifia yobe no menyebe mwenya onyo we nwantonto ya ta gbelebo
yo okay yourself you know we go by the name Papi Lolo aka Gidigidi on them oba leke they say money be devil but everything for the life challenge na money kana meshena boyo fonya matakle la catching each obena honey. You go feel be fresh and bavika. If you don't get time, they go call you monkey. That and then what you got to know them come my guy make I tell you na vonny hard. You don't get time, they go hungry. The thing where they first maybe say you go angry. You will be fresh, you go ugly to go. People see you, they go call you Honvi. Pastor will let go money. Be devil galejra not you call for money. So what you want make I talk you? Hey, my guy, fight for the money.
Fight for the money.
Fight for the money.
Papi Lolo.
Yeah man.
Elebeji. So Papi Lolo. Gbelenani, we can hear the Haji go.
Let's start music 2015, but officially, we were telling Global Papi Lolo. My team started working basically by 2020.
2020.
Yeah.
That is 6 years ago.
Yeah, 6 years ago.
Okay, 2020. So Papi Lolo, I na je Haji go man. Nukai alo Nous que va nous que motiver tu veux n'aller hajiji. Nous quand on y va hajiji ne choose be.
Okay, nanya mafu bablo. Hajiji, I think it's a talent for me because many hajiji de kako since my childhood. Tu vois quand devait me faire akobe no bo ofefe le church from me plétoment. You see me inside. No la do competition le jams no vlijuta. You see me inside. Getting to the Mevado SHS, if it comes to entertainment, you see me inside where I was even able to hold the entertainment prefect and I control everything from there.
Okay.
So basically, as I'm here, I would say these are things I used to do since my kiddie time.
Your kiddie time.
Yeah. So it's a born with. You understand?
That's so nice. Never know. Yema nyato mi le gbasemo na ma podo le fo ma do fo gbale se sewo ti ya o to re ya be nyade le gogo la steady ya be nyade le gogo yo papi lolo
yo
abe ka jija do ji play de ayi ne je ka jiji go me fia e fa de ya yina go how many na se so far
how seniors na page na jikura ko be ado over freestyle for my baby na mo pa gake me ko dare ya mo.
Okay.
Because it get to some point me ba ko be me hada dare ya me ya ko enye no na le hada ya ma tell dare 100 years fuma ko ano, so it gets some things you have to work on. Kafi na ko ha ya ko be alebe na da fodo na ododo ku dem ta ya ke me le fia fia package leak pay. It can be bona cover again one by one after the other. Gake be man not prepared, be na me ko evea. Watema de te fere sia le kemi nto me jita ko ba me relax. Ta le nto pe audio mark na jifi liar. I get I'll say my local audio mark, the one I create first just to put song out there for fans to listen to.
Yeah.
I have songs for there like eight songs on the page there. Okay. Then getting to alongside the 2020, as I started the music officially, I created some account also that I put only one song. That is Oku. Only one song on that particular one, and it's a digital platform that when I post song over there, it will go to all the markets. You understand? Spotify and all those stuffs.
Okay. Sure. Okay. So for now, let's say you have 8 official tracks.
8 official tracks out there banging.
Nizorengo. De ai neje haji agoma. Financial minyabe afina gere studio aba record ha leto ganya onyena. Fika na kpona lo dole de amadeli tekpena re ngule gumoma.
Big shout out to Changes, number one. And me, I won't say without yourself, you know, your own self here. I want to say a very big thanks to you. I can't forget Chief Ogbo. Yeah, Chief Ogbo.
Yeah.
Like, I have some couple of people that they just involved in my moving up. They just feel like, no, Charlie, you are good to go. So anything, just link up. So I'll say Changes put a free studio behind me. Chief Ogbo also put a free studio behind me. And yourself here, you record me and you don't take money sometimes and all those stuff. It makes me know that, no, you guys know that I can do the thing. And that keeps motivating me to put the better version of my own self. You understand? Okay. So basically, I'll say right now, I'm not under management, but these are the people that are helping me or
So through the support from your friends, the staff, no, that hold you on.
That's the only thing that hold me
to keep moving.
To keep moving.
So financially, let's say it's your friends that are supporting you.
Yeah, they are my friends that are supporting me. Also, shout out to Grey GH. Grey GH also is one of the best bloggers in the region, I would say, because if you check him, if he notices that you have the thing, he will call you. Some people might think maybe he's taking money or all those stuff, but I swear to you, Grey GH is just doing a free hand work for us. If you notice that you have the thing, he will call you.
He will try and push
you. If you have the heart, yourself go and pass through. You understand? Nice. Those are some of the things that are pushing us. And shout out to MC Flexal also is doing the great too. That's
okay. So let us move from the financial side. What are the difficulties you are facing during your career?
I think based on the things we are doing, Lena Tefemia, me here Lodo. We want push, we need push. You understand? We need sponsorship, we need everything, management and all those stuffs. We are doing the one that we can do to show them that okay, this is what we have. Aha, mi le ko ele kula ya ta o jibe mi eseme na ma. Na we mata sine mi akoma abota wa itajiwa. Onte na me ke won. So the hope is still on that big man over there. Shout out to God himself where he is right now. Ta maglobe enye mi o ke me pe le ne pe music career me alodo meten na en ta fia ke mi atma push do kodola o me cover do hado ka we still on the journey. And aside that one, I have some of my friends that like they always give me advice. That one self alone is okay for me. If you don't have money to give me, you are giving me advice. Maybe you call me, you say, Charlie, I saw you the last time in this condition. Or I hear something like this is going on. If you can compose a track or all those stuff, I will know that okay, their mind also on me. Yeah. Those one stuff. It means you have a friend so allo mi afa fan so la mi jibe no advice na mi
okay
ko be wa ko mi wa di wuli ko
le nyawa mu fia even though mi me ya pama ga tani li to pama fia be le nyawa mu la le ti ya be e cho do ki ona be ya mortile
yeah
da we ma nya le mo gogolo ta lo mo ta wa mo ke le me gba se fans wo la
ehia be
no na nya bo pack lolo o gole ne mi leke
you understand
be le ma wa
that's how it is
ya be de polo ni le veni bati be entertainment show wana GM la ala enya me kale nya nya de la nkwe no to na nya MOZ80 ba o chugbe ko mo na nya bojola si ajola na po 7 ira po 7 ira 8 mo na nya gbo ala ba gba papilolo yele nya gbo o be va o mo wa na view e me azu national anthem e fa o mo pena ro no mu e fa o mo do lo no wa veni bati TV va chodo kwe nafa over in the side corner but you prove the kokata wrong be national anthem male ono jiji wa o mekpena ro no wa ya prove wrong eso suma ta da we vi adi be nya chono nya no vi o den fia lo mai le wona ma fi nya ba mede o ya na ba papilolo ala ba fa ba ti ya oje te fofubo amo le Germany France Togo Benin England le te fofubo US le nya pom le TV bi ya me ba online is official TV kemi am le TikTok Facebook le to nya to le bobo amo gbogbo mo ko le papilolo po fia ese him out ya ejire sugbon to ta nya da pe na fa ba TV edola ba ejagbagba do susu ni ara nya idina nya to le party lo won nya ola lo manager mo le tele gba kata gba nya ayo kata gba ayo party lo
yo
ayi na je hadiji pa jare va perform le tefre quoi
oh me perform le tefre gere me perform le tefre gere
nyao
yeah
e atanto si de cavare ke lo fo susu me fia fi o ke de nya lo ma yi mi cho be film awo ya po be performance mo iva wo le film a I matangu le bo
oh okay maglo be mi wo me no under CS brain okay. CS brain me for show CS brain that time me for show all the Wezo hotel
okay efe kamema
okay I can't remember but CS brain if I go check up I'll get everything
okay
and me for show le lo me segbe for akato
okay
yeah, big shout out to Frakela Jean if you are watching me right now this is your boy Papilolo aka Gidi Gidi on them and trip to Volta concert Tanigbe with Rolly Panda Chief One and all the amazing stars from the Volta region were present that day. We play Tokoko to the World concert, that is second J or first J some program, and Helekbeyo baby and all those JJ Gonami games also passed through. And I also play the Accra Takeover concert with JJ Gonami at Accra.
Okay.
Inside Ogbojo.
Okay.
And I play some show Sheffield home. I used to play show there sometimes.
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, and
Like
a lot,
a lot.
And then when it comes to the last show I played, that's KK House.
Okay.
Big shout out to the MP again. Honorable Kotosu.
Yeah.
Was the one who brought that platform for us to enjoy.
pass
And
through.
Lombini was the support, Great GH.
Yeah.
Plenty of MC Beta and all those stuff. DJ Marvelous. Yeah, whatever you are, I give you shout out. Those are the things we are. Basically,
okay.
So many performances.
If you are a performance, you can go on top of a Matanglo over na be born. In a performance or the Matok boring, I don't develop. Sure, boring door. Sofa.
Oh, okay. You're going to show a show boring one now. I see that one tell if ma mete communicate plan me wa allo if ma e wonu aloki because me I just believe now me am a fake chair na la perform le fun na perform na on talk about video of performance akwa na yabe e odo afina modo le wala amowe me no aha
if I am a brother
so
okay yo nyabanu kpala party lolo ye nyame le nyagbo anya hadiye do dumato de ka gba de sia de jembe ya togoreji alo ya do vote afatareji kaka onya to minyanya ba music zolia mo na bobo ero kaka jima de lepo be no de sia de ha yi onya be tonko be hadiye ha ko be kwa ya yi magbojo gbelegbere ta gojogojo ayilo oga aleba ni agbogbe ya nyile nupufia ha na tinya gade ya hono jiko aje wonu check ikejeta papilolo alo shooter 1 ya nko no sivuvu shooter 1 lo alo papilolo te ko du moto de sia de fifi like na nya na podo yogo wara ewe ni to ja fa ni ba ti gbona be video pogana mi le fi mi apo aleba legbe to je son ko do mi le ne papilolo
yo
ni aso ngoy
Azolo.
Fifi ade under management under label da.
Oh, la belle que me bleva under management, under management too. Yeah, I'm managing myself.
Okay, you are independent.
I'm independent artist.
Okay.
Just that I have a support from like production level.
Okay.
That is changes
that's
yourself,
not management.
That's not management.
What I want from you.
Yeah.
Are you under management?
I'm not under management. Okay, I'm independent.
So
artist.
are you open if maybe someone is watching us right now and want or feel to help you?
Oh, sure.
Are you open?
Yeah, the person come in alone self, make one bad call.
The person self coming from
never invest.
Aba regret too.
Aba invest, aba regret. Allow me Antoine, ne yom le single be project you can be la signer jibi ado to for that. Ko ma ko pen drive akwa, ne Antoine zome.
Le hawo beti dumado dumato kan like.
Hano petit dome koko nulanyo.
Nulanyo.
Koko nulanyo.
Le ready via kwa na mi nulanyo ba part de wa.
O matema na mi nulanyo be.
Mi aba nu poro mi no toji ya kanku. O be de nu popule bobo dejo pe mo. Mi no toji me mi akanku. Ya part lolo wa na mi nulanyo.
Yo, yourself, you know again, I go by the name Papilolo, aka Gidi on them, 1000 digi the password. Maybe they gagne pe de kalofa de kakoton ha kokoko mi omi lado, le menye futo we sugo le momo chamba this time am dollar no, ke mi mo nani dollar ta me le poji be gane vana mi okwa nulanyo, awuga for pagan watch ga chain ga boto ga gbe de ka mi lado. Yeah, we no be lazy, we get capabilities, it no be easy checking probability. The problem we get be accountability. Born as a hustler we chasing facilities. Yeah, ta me daily level ta me be ya ma ba shine gbe de ka wa e ka into. Ina me de chan le buta me be ko kushu ta ma shine wa e ka into. Serenye focus up on kaka kwa buta be hun ede fun to. Agbe me be nya we tutu na gbe to kaka baba to ro pe so nunenyo afa omega to ya me nunenyo ngoli sakiti kata so ma chava nunenyo yo
nunenyo shooter
yes ma
nunenyo nuke fa wona ji haya lo nya ka ji agbana mi haya
kokoko nulanyo non just a title I send the CRM straight because if you have me le avoaji me le doda siawo kake elejeje abe fiake o le bele de mele de doba we are not going to lose hope no matter how it's going to be kokoko so we're still on it until that time kokoko it's a must things must work.
Okay, domain nyabe ya nyana petu afi ne nyara demudia elevevina amara nya no TV abofia peta de jin kwenye we gbejura be entertainment show ya ya jibe ya le haje jo du motora ka ba pen kan no du motora ka be ya wo music business akple no nyaba me be akere mu re mo ka ji wa akere.
It's very easy. I mean, I the media handles. Bon, my email is too hard for the moment. I think I'm Facebook. You can chat me on TikTok. After you go through my things, you can give me a message. I'll come and check. I used to reply. I reply na message. I make friends. I do things that I message Vine boss man. No matter what, I'm going to check it. Then I'm message either Facebook, IG. Or TikTok, yeah, the person will get to me.
Okay, yeah. So now, in case the person just want to check on you right now, what is your name on the social media?
Okay, okay.
The TikTok, okay. What is your account name?
Yeah. Okay, if you are watching me right now live on the entertainment show, I wanna say if you type Papilolo, that is PAPPYLOLO. PAPPY space LOLO, Papilolo. If you type it on Facebook, I will appear. You type it on TikTok, my things will appear. Same as IG. Yeah, so Papilolo.
Everywhere, Papilolo. Then you can easily get in touch with Papilolo so that any business at all you want to do with him as music business, he's ready to do whatever. Okay, let's dive into another side of you. Aside music, what work do you do?
Yeah, aside music, 1, 2, 3. You see that they are black.
Yeah.
I'm a hairstyler. I'm a professional barber.
Okay.
I do with the barbering, the bleaching, the blowing, the whole stuffs. I do. And you can locate me at Dabra Junction, one step to Vision Top, like you get some fitting shop over there before you see the Dabra Junction. My shop just at the opposite of the fitting shop. Yeah, man. So I'm a hairstyler. Correct one. Yeah, I'm a hairstyler. So anybody can just if you want to have your haircut set, it's not only music. You can still chat me. You can still chat me. Then we talk about it. I'll let you come.
Okay. So why you are your vision is to be an artist or a superstar? Why do you choose to work again?
Oh yeah, you know, this is I'll say this is one of the things some of the boys or some of the gangs that I see you don't know. You see, if you say you are an artist and we are doing the thing, it's not paying us the money that's supposed to pay us. It cannot pay us the money that we can use to do everything we want to do. Let's imagine you call me for this interview right now, then I don't have shadow to wear. You understand? Yeah. Or me as an artist, then I want to go and do something somewhere, and all then I have to be begging Charlie like this. All those things will make people see you as a low artist. So you have to be doing something that will be giving you at least a little money that you can use it to be branding yourself, like you cover yourself well before you are checking the vision as well. So that's why I decided to take some side hustle.
So how do you blend your work, the barbering and the music? How possible it is?
It's really bothering. I won't lie to you, because some things like this, you see the packages I'm talking about. Normally, I should have time. Like I go different locations, maybe I go shoot my content videos and things down. Then I start them before the tracks come out and things. But yourself think, I'll wake up now, I'll go to the website. I'll be there at 9 to 4 before I come back. I'll be tired, I'll sleep. So it's just a little time that I'm having using on the music scene. Do you understand? Meaning, if I even had time, I could have been better or I could have done better past.
So that doesn't mean your work, the handwork, is worrying your talents or your career?
It will not worry it, but it will solo it. I know the reason why I say that, because you see, before somebody will come in, I want to manage you on those stuff. It's yourself that you are going to do it. And let's say that's one thing I say right now. The person is looking at you. This artist is branding himself very well, and he's still seeing that like you are doing good music as well. The person can come and invest in you. Do you understand? But let's say you are not doing anything. You are waiting for the person to come and brand you, feed you, rent. Like those, some of the underground artists, not upcoming underground, they think if somebody called them that I want to push you, then the person should go and rent for them, buy
everything,
mattress, then all those things, then make
do the provision, everything.
Normally, that one will come, but you have to reach some level. That's how me too. I'm saying it.
That's why
I decided to take a side hustle to be doing
something attached to the music. That's what you said, because some of our underground artists, the moment the very day they enter into the studio, then that means they don't have anything to do. But I think that's not how it's supposed to be. Never Nupolao, never young lady, then I love Nila Nicola Papi Lolo, Papi Lolo. I would tell us a cop by away. To my event organizer, Papi Lolo. Now, the event organizer at Pijan, as another in Yadro, Jibana Beledinamia. Gabumure hora dia.
Agbena fún magbeji ntomo ga dire ko hora. Ko difference ara me agbena fún magbeji.
Beji gaga oga ko hora. Awodo aba ha because mi jibe mi awoche mi ajagba no nya be mi jagba. Afine wa komi ko eji so. Ene yom ne show a oya ajagba ko na chat pere ko mi agbele sulo. E ole kia America mele nye kolo. So if you call me, we bargain. Anything we bargain is anything we bargain. So I'll come and do the show for you. Is anything we bargain. Yourself you feel. That's how it is. Yo, Papilolo. For now, the project you are going to go on. Yeah, only P. Like just. I can latest one. Latest release. I don't know. Latest release or the no, the one about to be released. No. Megalilo, Megalise. Megalilo, Megalise. Hey, let me ganye Jim, ya young Melissa. Megalilo, Megalise. Let me ganye Jim, ya young Melissa. Sedalo, obe. No pomi onyarami, no hear me onyorami, godo nulanyurami, maudan yogenami, and pala forget kalami, imila geledojipo, o kono kamonami, o jibemi aklibuafi, yes, when you are fetonami, and your lata organami, Coco, Mimania, Blogisco, back to send down, no flames, my enemies, no surrender. Come for with the great defender, without forgetting that Maria, and I saw they go celebrate, they go jubilate, forgetting you days or day, but they never do them, and the favor. I just say, Megalilo, Megalise. Let me ganye Jim, a young Melissa. Wow. And I have to go over. Let us with the Duguay, you train. Do social media. Everything touchable. They shocked me when I passed on the street and some man, then some this thing they shot the last time. Galileo, sorry, Galilise. Be like, I'm there on the night or check. I'm sure I Domahin, I just see Mozato, and I say Mozato, Mozato, Subawa, the Cadivia, Belenama Bassa, your favorite Bank of Burma, Gazik Burma. So, the 53 minutes, okay, let's say 2 minutes, 50 seconds. More in a Amaganya Blade, Makata, ever look up. Dawo for the cover la Fiji, oh, but the towel as Angie. The children to be over he for the throne and never Yaduji. Oh, no one out Baji, and let you from my papa and Agoji.
Jila odola noti tajagbagba na to
paso yo
na chenjo la fe foko jo jagbagba na nye kopa fisi ne cho da o pre fofo le kofa me gasaga mo gbadura benchi ya le tro fe fi an gbegbeje na suku boro on ton le fe be na le ipololo
na ko ka ke la mo ni lo bo
master me
mo ba le no bo ko nyama kola wana be nyaba ya etu afevo te pesa te pa yi pomitri mawunto na do nyaba ya te fana mi papi lolo
yo
nyata po nya relation wa jibe ya gbo nya relation bi agbo na jo wa na delia na agbo mi akofota ko na nya afugbe tata
yo okay me da pena amesame ke o de kakle ni le interview ya me donc ma glo ku ide ko ma glo be me da pena amesame ke support nya fe le nya fe music career support and the biggest one to changes my producer behind me, yourself standing here, Chief Ogbo and the Lucian Beats and everybody. Shout out to Madam Gazangbe and anybody who is involved in my music scenes. I just say a big shout out. All the boys for them, they are pushing me to drop Who We Dey Your Mind for Day. Don't worry, I'm going to drop that banger for you. Who We Dey Your Mind for Day. Before work, you have to get your pay. They break with the cafe, cause every night you know we dey potty. Yeah man, I will drop them. So shout out to you all, Lighter, Teddy, like I don't feel mention, don't okay everybody. Yeah, big shout out to you, Alberto, DJ Marvelous, Bone Music, and you told me I came on the whole. You know the password, 1000 DP. I don't feel mention everybody. I don't feel mention everybody, and all the boys from Ahwe, yeah, supporting the movement. Big ups to you as well. And big ups to everybody supporting the movement.
Akpe kaka. Mi abonu kola fia yi ya na momi be nyano mi agbo ase ni ke wona ike do mi agbo eya nya Evenyigba TV entertainment show ike ya ji cho jura sha jura na ko gadre ire gani yemi no mi agbo ni ha nyato ha jijo wo nya ore ko alebe ni plana ni no view ha va fi be wo ha project wo do ku wa ha wa de wo be aleke nya ble ojojo mamuna na regu ta ne viore la fama ene ne lenkure kpo be jojo mamuna na re le sia ka atinya chaka pele Evenyigba TV alebe wata bo abomene do mahin me Kenya be Yarazu the next superstar in the whole world eleve vie e ta yizi na no Evenyigba TV akpom leyima nu vava o lengogba nia ano wowom ta nene mo le ni ma akpe keka wa jogo na okata ji apasi akpa nya la finya pom ko ha mawu na yira nya okata ka enyame ke dokuro na wana be bien ko meto na nya MOZ80 o musato te fasha te fe mi pom la mi yom kama matona mi makala mi ro nya kuto kada bra beto ni cho jora gbe egbalagba nya ga dogolo wana ve viaji miji nya no Evenyigba TV apom bye bye.
Eveviona do fegba ne ganyen pena ni wa penya pe mere mo choge sifia wo de bere o atikpo mo no to mo zolo no vie nya te pe jani tae ko club bo hafi ya poma evevi di via ne chopo nkone nu konye nye komi vi do mo venu nye ko di fia ma nye evevi le tenu he e wonu kuba nye kle evevi mi dogo le gbedi la chantia ma do fegba wo be nti ne ba ro pa vona la vidi be na to bi chali o efofoli na ya be to bi chali aklo mada na via evevi wo nye le gbedi la chanti wo de nkone be na konfonotia nyabonu pola o mia wozova Evenyigba TV we wezo dona mi duenye Evenyigba TV entertainment show inye wana feviare ikegbona ejivaga jora sia jora no nyeba apo etroga dre ire ganyi ka enyamele kurogo na wana fevi man ko imeto na nyam MOZ80 piyo wana lologre menye buja kachari nyawo le nyawo wa yire ngwa yenwenye nkulegado nenumake wana bubu ovuvuvu komedio wo gbona ejiga jora sia jora nepo gadre ire ganyi akpena mi miji nenya no Evenyigba TV akpom Eveviona do fegba ne ganyen pena ni wa penya pe mere mo choge sifia wo de bere o atikpo mo no to mo zolo no vie nya te pe jani tae ko club bo hafi ya poma evevi di via ne chopo nkone nu konye nye komi vi do mo venu nye ko di fia ma nye evevi le tenu he e wonu kuba nye kle evevi mi dogo le gbedi la chantia ma do fegba wo be nti ne ba ro pa vona la vidi be na to bi chali o efofoli na ya be to bi chali aklo mada na via evevi wo nye le gbedi la chanti wo de nkone be na konfonotia nyaba nu pola o miawo zova Evenyiba TV we wezo domna mi doenye Evenyiba TV entertainment show inye wana feviare ike gbona ejivaga jora sia jora no nyaba apo etroga dre ire ganyi ka enyamele kuro dogana wana fevi man ko imetona nyam